The science of disinfection. What really works and why. Ever wondered if that quick spray and wipe is really killing germs? Let's dive into the fascinating science of disinfection and uncover the truth about keeping our spaces safe. Disinfection is the process of eliminating or reducing harmful microorganisms like bacteria and viruses on surfaces. It's crucial to understand the difference between disinfection, cleaning, and sanitizing. Cleaning removes visible dirt and debris. Sanitizing reduces the number of germs to a safe level. Disinfection kills a high percentage of germs. Disinfectants work by attacking the essential components of microbial cells. They can disrupt cell walls, damage proteins, or interfere with their DNA. This damage prevents the microorganisms from functioning, replicating, and ultimately causes them to die. Different disinfectants target different parts of the cell. There are many types of disinfectants, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Alcohol-based disinfectants are effective against many bacteria and viruses. Chlorine-based disinfectants like bleach are powerful but can be corrosive. Hydrogen peroxide is a gentler option that breaks down into water and oxygen. Knowing when and where to use each type is key. Contact time is the amount of time a disinfectant needs to remain on a surface to be effective. This is crucial for killing germs. Many people make the mistake of wiping the disinfectant off too quickly. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for contact time. The type of surface you're disinfecting can impact the effectiveness of the disinfectant. Porous surfaces like fabric can be harder to disinfect than non-porous surfaces like metal. Disinfectants may need longer contact times on porous surfaces. Consider using disinfectants specifically designed for fabrics. One common myth is that more is better when it comes to disinfectant. Using too much disinfectant can be harmful and may not necessarily increase effectiveness. Mixing chemicals like bleach and ammonia can create toxic fumes. Overusing antibacterial products can contribute to antibiotic resistance. Home remedies like vinegar and baking soda have some cleaning properties. However, they are generally not effective disinfectants against many harmful pathogens. While they can be used for general cleaning, they shouldn't replace proper disinfectants when dealing with potential contamination. Rely on scientifically proven disinfectants for critical situations. Always wear appropriate protective gear, such as gloves, when disinfecting. Ensure proper ventilation to avoid inhaling harmful fumes. Dispose of used disinfectant wipes and solutions properly. Read and follow the safety instructions on the product label. Disinfection is important in various settings, including homes, schools, and public transport. Focus on high-touch areas like doorknobs, light switches, and countertops. Regular disinfection can help prevent the spread of germs. Pay special attention to areas where food is prepared or consumed. Proper disinfection plays a vital role in preventing the spread of infectious diseases. This is especially important during outbreaks like COVID-19 and the flu. Disinfecting surfaces can significantly reduce the risk of transmission. Combine disinfection with other preventive measures like hand washing. Organizations like the CDC, WHO, and EPA provide recommendations and guidelines for disinfection. These guidelines help ensure that disinfectants are used safely and effectively. Following these regulations helps protect public health. Stay informed about the latest recommendations. Consider the environmental impact of the disinfectants you use. Some disinfectants can be harmful to the environment. Look for eco-friendly disinfectant options that are less toxic. Practice responsible disposal to minimize environmental damage. Disinfection is a powerful tool for protecting our health, but it's essential to understand the science behind it. By following these guidelines, you can disinfect effectively and safely. Ready to take action? Start by reviewing the EPA's List N of disinfectants approved for use against specific pathogens. Share this video with your friends and family to spread awareness about proper disinfection practices. Let's work together to create healthier and safer environments for everyone.